This is our washing machine, Zanussi, and we have the model number ZWG 7160P. And for this washing machine, we have a filter in the barrel. So you can see over there, you can turn this blue things down. So the filter you can see here is written here, filter. And there's the arrow down here. Say you press the tab over there, there's the metal tab. You press and lift it up. So this is the cover of the filter, spring loaded. If you release it, it will close again. If you want to open, just press and open. So after you open this cover, you can see just down there, that's the filter. So this is the filter. So you can just get inside and lift it up. Just align the hole. See, this is the filter. Let's just cover down there. So you can see the filter is relatively dirty. So we're going to remove the dirt first. Then we're going to use a brush and just the water, make it clean. So now you can see I just clean it with the water and the brush. So now we're ready to put it back. To put it back, again, we need to open this filter cover. So you can see over there, there's the catch over there. This is the opening here, and also there's the one on the other side. I think that too should be aligned with this. So we just put it that way. Get into that hole at the bottom. So it's getting down. Just push until it is locked. You can also see the heater over there of the washing machine. See here, close it. Open it, align it. You can take it out or install it back and release to close it. So that's how to remove, clean, and install back the filter of the washing machine.